So I'm going to put the steak in here. I've seasoned it with McCormick's brand Fajita Seasoning. That is the absolute best I have found. Got the best flavor. And this one, I'm going to toss my chicken. Alright, you want to make sure you stir your stuff up frequently. You don't want it sticking and getting crispy and not what you're looking for. So keep a check on it. You may want to adjust your burner. You're just going to fry your meat until it's done. Check back in a second. We are checking back in. We are getting close to being done. Not far away at all. Want to keep turning that meat. Now, since my chicken really doesn't need it, it's doing fine on its own, but my steak has put off a little bit of juice, so I'm just going to crank up the heat and fry some of that off. Back in a bit. Alright guys, we are ending it here because we are about to hit the table. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you try this recipe. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. See you next time.